Hey guys, it's me, Steve WB, and welcome back to my channel. And this video is going to kick off a series of videos every day, hopefully all the way up until Christmas Eve. And they're all just going to be quick, like under 5-minute, one-step videos. And what this one is about is the Skyreat anamorphic lens for your GoPro Hero 9 or 10. Now, if you have this lens, you know that when you pull your footage that it needs to be squeezed, which gives you your black bars on top and bottom and makes the image look normal and wide. I'm going to show you how I do this in post. And I'm going to show you two ways to do this in DaVinci Resolve. One of the ways will only work in DaVinci Resolve. The other one will probably work with just about any other editing software. And it's kind of like the quick and dirty way to do it, which I kind of like it that way. So let's get into the video.
Okay, so there's two ways that I do this in DaVinci Resolve. And one way is, as you can see, this needs to be squeezed. I will go to the clip, right click on the clip, go to clip attributes, right here where it says pixel aspect ratio, you click on that, and then you would scroll up to where it says 1.33, click on that, hit OK, and that clip has now been squeezed. Now, the other way that I like to do it, especially if I have multiple clips, so I'm going to cut this up into mini clips, and what I'll do is I will highlight all the clips that I want to do at once, and then I will come up here to the zoom, and I will zoom in to 1.33 or thereabouts. Then I will unlock it, and I will scroll this back down to 1.0, close enough, and then I'll lock it back, and then I will zoom back out to 1.0. And you can leave this whatever size you want, and that will give you the same effect basically. The second way is the quick and dirty way. That's the way I do it if I have multiple clips to do. I don't think both techniques would work in the same video because, so this is the DaVinci Resolve way. This is my way. They don't look exactly the same, but both work.
Okay, so I hope this little video helps somebody out. I'm not saying this is the right way, the only way, or the proper way, or whatever. I'm saying this is my way. This is how I do it. If you want to do it my way, great. If you have a better way, great. I'm Steve WB. I'm out.